Hello, today we're going to take a look at the kth largest element problem. In this problem, we're given an array of integers and an integer k, and we're tasked with finding the kth largest element in this array. So we're going to do this using a min heap of size k. So for the integer array 3 to 1, 5, 6, 4, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the first k elements. In this case, since k is equal to 2, we're going to take 3 and 2, and we're going to convert them into a min heap. We do this so we can keep track of the k largest elements we've seen so far. Now what we're going to do is we're going to loop through the rest of the array, and for each element we're going to compare it with the root node of our min heap. And if it's less than the root node, we're going to skip that element. And if it's greater than the root node, then we're going to swap that element with the root node. Like in this case, we're going to swap 2 with 5. And then we're going to restore the min heap property. This ensures that whenever we run into an element which is greater than the two greatest elements we've seen so far, we update our min heap to represent the new set of the two greatest elements, or generally the k greatest elements. So now in this case, since 6 is greater than 3, we swap 6 and 3, and then we restore the min heap property. We go through the rest of the array, in this case 4, and since 4 is less than 5, we're gonna skip 4. And then we're done. And we can see that the min heap right now represents the two greatest numbers in this array, with the top of the min heap representing the kth greatest number for k is equal to 2 in this array. Now we're going to take a look at the Python implementation for this algorithm. We're going to import heapq, which is a module we can use to create heaps in Python, and we're going to create our class and our function. We're going to take the first k elements of the array and we're going to create a heap using heapq.heapify. Then we're going to loop through the rest of the elements in the array, and if that element is greater than the top of the min heap, then we're going to replace that element with the top of the min heap and restore the heap property. We can do this in one function. Then we return the topmost element of the heap.